Hello everybody, welcome to Blender Days. In this video, we will see about Bevel tool in Blender. Bevel, it makes the sharp edge to smoother edge. Select edge and apply bevel on it. Nothing happens because bevel needs two faces and an edge. Select face and extrude. Now we got more faces to bevel. Select the front edge and click and drag on the gizmo. Bevel splits the edges into several edges and makes it smoother. This can be adjusted in Bevel tool settings in bottom right of the viewport. Segments adds more detail to the bevel. In vertex mode, bevel smooths the selected vertices and it rounds the corner as per the segment settings. In shape settings, 0 makes inner sharp bevel, with value 1 makes outer square sharp bevel, and 0.5 makes circular smooth bevel. More segments, more smoother the edge. Let's apply bevel to the cube. Here all edges selected, so bevel smooths all side of the cube and the cube become smoother. We can also adjust the width, depth, offset, percent and absolute values of bevel. Here we apply bevel to the cylinder top and the bottom part. Select all edge by pressing Alt Shift. Together. Do the same to the bottom also to select all circular edges. Now apply bevel. Bevel makes the cylinder edges smoother. Adjust and play with the bevel settings. Now we apply bevel on a cone bottom face. Extrude the face and select the sharp edges. Then apply bevel. All at once the edges are smoothed. If you learned something from this video, please give a like and a comment. Thank you. Have a great day.